Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wonderfun World. Today, we're going to play an exciting animal guessing game. We'll use sounds and shadows to identify animals. Shall we get started? Can you guess which animal this is? Let's find out. Wow, what a fantastic start! You've guessed it right, it's a dog. Use the sound and shadow hints to guess this animal. Great job! You've guessed the pig right. You're consistently accurate. This animal is quite unique. Pay close attention to the sound and shadow to make your guess. Wow, that's impressive. You've correctly identified the tiger. You're doing great. This animal is very active in the trees. Give it a try. Your accuracy is truly commendable. You've guessed the monkey right. Do you know which animal makes this sound? Take a guess. Well done. You've identified the goat. Who could this be? Take a guess. You did great. You've guessed the horse right. Your accuracy is consistently amazing. Try to guess this animal based on the sound and shadow. Impressive. You've guessed the duck right. This is the last animal. Can you guess whose sound it is? Give it a try. Wow, that's truly remarkable. You've guessed the sheep right. Wow, everyone, you're really amazing. You've correctly identified all the animals based on their sounds and shadows. Thank you for joining in this fun game. We look forward to bringing you more diverse games and learning content. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now and hit the like button. Your subscription and likes will be a great support for more enjoyable and educational content. See you next time.